Once upon a time, in a remote mountain village, there lived a young girl named Karen. In her village, a strange legend was whispered among the townsfolk. It spoke of a pair of red shoes that could grant any wish. But those who wore them were said to be cursed with a dreadful fate, from which they could never escape. Karen led a modest life, but one day, as she wandered through the village market, she stumbled upon a peculiar antique shop. Inside, encased in glass, was a pair of striking red shoes. They seemed to shine as if calling out to her.
"If I had those shoes, my life would be so much brighter," she thought.
Without hesitation, she offered all the coins she had and took the shoes home. The shopkeeper, with a knowing smile, whispered as she left,
"These shoes hold a secret."
Thrilled with her new possession, Karen rushed home and slipped on the shoes. Instantly, she felt transformed. The shoes made her feet light, and she walked as if dancing on air. But that night, Karen had a strange and unsettling dream. In her dream, she wandered through a deep, dark forest, where a low, eerie voice called out to her.
"Are you the one who has claimed the red shoes?
Do you dare to uncover their secret?" Startled, Karen awoke in a cold sweat. Yet she found herself even more drawn to the shoes' enchanting power. As Karen basked in the magic of the red shoes, a chilling rumor began to spread through the village. Ever since she had acquired the shoes, villagers had started disappearing without a trace. Karen's joy turned to dread as she sought answers. She turned to the village elder, who listened with grave concern and then began to tell a tale.
"Those red shoes are said to have been crafted by a dark sorceress long ago.
They grant wishes but demand the wearer's soul in return." Terrified, Karen tried to remove the shoes, but they clung to her feet as if they had become part of her. Determined to free herself from the shoes' curse, Karen decided to uncover the truth behind their dark magic. She followed the clues left by the vanished villagers, leading her deep into the forest. In the heart of the forest, Karen discovered an ancient ruin. There, she found inscriptions that revealed the origin of the red shoes.
"To break the curse of these shoes, one must wish with a pure heart."
Seek not desire but the true wish within your soul. Karen pondered deeply, searching her heart for her genuine wish. With clarity, she silently prayed, "I wish for everyone to live happily and peacefully." As Karen's heartfelt wish resonated through the forest, the red shoes began to glow and finally slipped off her feet. The missing villagers reappeared, returning safely to their homes. Karen was freed, and peace was restored to the village. Life in the remote mountain village returned to its tranquil rhythm. Karen never forgot the red shoes. She vowed to live without being swayed by desires, and to cherish the purity of her heart. The legend of the red shoes lives on, a tale of caution that warns against the peril of desires granted at too high a cost. Karen's story teaches us the importance of facing the truth within ourselves, and having the courage to seek what truly matters. Through Karen's journey in uncovering the secret of the red shoes, we learn the vital lesson of looking beyond our desires to find our true wishes. May her story resonate within your heart and inspire your own journey.